loves, welcome back to Best Friend Goals. We were supposed to vlog this morning, but it didn't particularly work out, so we're vlogging now. We just got here. We took little videos on the way up here, but we just got here to the place we're supposed to be going. And yeah, and so we're just the intro. We will be, yeah. So we'll check in a little bit. Bye. Ashton. Ashton.
Oh, it's so pretty out here though.
Yeah, told you.
Oh, this feels so good too. Oh, I love this.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are actually at our campground right now.
Oh, it's so pretty.
We're in the water. We're standing because
Ashton. Hit my foot again, guys.
Ashton's like really enjoying the water. The water is actually really warm.
Yeah, it is. It's so warm and it's so pretty.
We're in New Mexico. It's so pretty. There's a stick. Ashton's just chilling. And like we're standing on a rock, and I'm actually really excited for this campground.
Oh dang, we have good internet. Or I have 4 bars.
Oh dang. Okay. It's not too bad. Hey mommy, we're here. Are you excited?
I have 4 bars, so we should be good.
Yeah.
Being able to call you and
yeah.
That's what?
It's gonna be
The water is so
yeah, I don't really know what to say. So I guess when we set up our tent and we set up our little toilet, I will start vlogging again. But this is gonna be our first vlog today.
I think you guys will like the photos as well.
And it's beautiful.
That's so pretty.
Like it's gorgeous.
Okay, I just want to call you and let you know we got here safely.
Well, I'll check in a little bit. Bye, loves.
Bye.
Hey, loves. Welcome back to Best Friend Goals. I'm checking in. So that hasn't been that long since I last vlogged, but yeah. But me and Ashton are gonna tell you what we're gonna be doing for the next few days. Ashton?
Yeah.
What you doing for the next few days? What are we doing for the next few
I'm
days?
probably staying near the water for the...
We're gonna be next to the water.
Yeah.
I am probably gonna be fishing.
The water is my home.
I'm probably gonna be fishing.
Oh,
Fishing
so
slash swimming.
Oh, this feels so nice.
Both is pretty awesome. Yeah.
Sunscreen so I don't get burned. She's gonna burn and she's gonna look like a crab.
I don't mind looking like a crab. Crusty crab. Ooh. Yeah, so yeah, we will just kind of be going through the process of everything.
Oh, this feels so good. I'm in such a good mood now.
It's watery. Yay. Almost choked. Okay. Oh, look at the flower. You can't probably see it, but
Oh, I see it.
flower. The camera can't see it. Whatever. But yeah, I have a hat on, sunglasses. Ashton has a hat on.
It's my grandpa's hat.
This is a hat I got a few years ago. What are we wearing, Ashton?
I'm wearing black shorts. She's wearing
A cactus shirt and black pants.
and I'm wearing a shirt that Parker and I could twin on, but she didn't choose to wear it, so.
Oh, I didn't know we were twinning. You didn't say twin. You just put it on. I was like, hey, I know that shirt. And then, yeah. So,
Oh, this looks so pretty.
I gotta be careful.
I love it so much. Yeah.
So, yeah. So we'll check in later. Bye. Hey, loves. Welcome back again. I know I keep saying that, but yeah. This is our like third, fourth clip into the thing. We are sort of setting up camp right there. And we're currently in the water. And she's in the water.
It's so cold.
And yeah, and then
it's like a nice kind of cold, not like a so cold you're gonna die kind of thing.
yeah, it's actually
It's like when you first jump into the Salida pool.
Yeah, it's actually warmer than that a little bit.
A lot warmer actually.
And it's very, very nice out today. There's like, you see, we have all this.
I'm just gonna play around. Ready?
Is that nice?
Oh yeah, it is. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I ruined my hair for this, but that's okay. Oh, I love this.
Yeah, this is how it's going so far. It's rained a lot and snowed a lot this year, and so the water has gone up a bunch. Last year when I was here, the water was like way over there, close to those trees, way over there, and so yeah.
It's so warm.
It seems warm up to my knees. That's all I'm doing right now. Ah! Don't touch me.
Hand.
I almost dropped my phone. Yep. And yeah, this is how it's going so far. I know it's not very good views, like angles, but tonight when we check in, like when we go to bed and stuff, it'll be a better angle, better lighting. This isn't hopefully. So yeah, this is how it's going so far. We definitely love you. This vlog's gonna be sort of long today. So yeah. What else should we say?
I don't know.
This is our first vlog. Oof. We will record if we go to the marina. I will record like, you know, things.
Don't stand up, it gets too cold.
And yeah. So thanks for right now. I guess we'll talk to you later. Bye, loves. Hey guys, welcome back again. I know we keep cutting this stuff all over the place, but I will make sure it looks like it's together. We are currently in the boat. Well, I'm in the boat right now. I'm waiting for Ashton to come. She's not so good with boats and balancing, but I am in the boat. And Ashton's coming. It is hot. Just sit on the edge. It's gonna be hot. And then, yeah. And so we're gonna be going to the boat. I will record the boat ride there. It's gonna be really awesome. So yeah. It's gonna be pretty lit. And so we're going to the marina to maybe get our fishing license. Ashton, do you want to fish? Yeah. We're gonna get our fishing license because I really, really want to fish. And if not today, we're gonna do it tomorrow. We're probably gonna get something cool to drink. So yeah. That'll be fun. Yeah. So I'll see you when we get there. Bye.
Oh, this is gonna scare the crap out of me when it starts going. I know it.
It's not too bad.
Welcome back, loves, to our channel. Yeah.
We're feeding the fishes right now. Your sunglasses almost fell out. Yeah. Here, you hold the camera.
Ducky!
Hold the camera.
He almost went in for that, man. He was like, I'm ready. Are we still on?
Yep. Okay. Hey, don't drop my phone.
You're aggressive, but. Can I have a handful?
Here you go.
Let
me see it. You gotta feed the fishes too.
I know.
Hi. We're feeding the duck. And then look.
Oh, he's got blue on him. He's so pretty.
Oh, he's so cute.
Get it. The fish are like eating their feet. The poor ducks.
Look at it. We're feeding. Oh, here.
He could eat out of my hand, but I'm afraid it's gonna hurt. Oh, he's eating out of my hand. He's eating out of my hand.
Cute.
Oh.
So, like the millionth part of the video. We just got done kind of.
Playing around. Now we're starting to relax.
Yeah.
Trying to brush my freaking hair.
We got the tent built. So yeah, we were playing around in the water. Water was really nice, but I'm like really tired now. But I really want to go fishing. But sorry for this like lighting. It's not very good. But yeah. So this will probably be the end of this video today. No, vlog number 1. We might post like different videos later, but this is vlog number 1 today. So yeah, it's gonna be a long vlog. So if you get this far in the video, comment below. So yeah, this is Ashton.
How many times are you gonna introduce me?
Yeah.
Pretty sure they know me now.
So yeah, I don't really know what to say. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications and comment what your favorite part of the video was. Well, I love you, loves. Bye.